Hugs and Tugs, isn't this a lovely day for a picnic?
Sure is, Gramps.
Hardly a cloud in the sky.
You know, that reminds me of a story.
Yay, a story!
This story is called It's Raining, It's Boring.
Hi, I'm Hugs.
And I'm Tugs.
Have you ever had nothing to do?
Yeah, like when you're stuck inside the house on a rainy day.
Well, we found out that there's a little beast that causes this.
His name is the Beast of Boredom, and he came to visit us one day.
Aha! Care-a-lot! A veritable hive of activity. But I'll soon change that because I'm the Beast of Boredom. Please don't ask me why. I love to bore, and my reward's an apathetic sigh. When you eat my dust, you'll see I really am a bore. And before you know it, if I don't blow it, a yawn becomes a snore. My boredom is contagious. You might even fall asleep. Oh, I'm the Beast of Boredom. That's a name I'd like to keep. Uh-oh.
Wow, Hugs, look at the rain.
Yeah, it makes neat patterns, huh?
Yeah, and look at those great puddles.
Ooh, this looks promising.
So, do you want to go outside?
Sure, or we could play that game. Or maybe...
What's the matter, Hugs?
It's raining, and there's nothing to do.
Yeah, we're bored.
Bored? Why, there's plenty of things you can do.
Like what?
Uh-oh.
Well, you can take this piece of paper, fold here, here, and here, and voila!
Ooh!
You've got a paper airplane. Now you try. Wait, I've got an idea. Let's check our magic board. A paper airplane is really quite easy to make. You kids at home can make them too. All you have to know is where to make the proper folds. Here we go. First, get a piece of paper about 12 inches square. Then fold it along the middle like this. Then make a fold here, and another, and one more. Then do the same to the other side. And there you have it, your very own airplane.
Yay!
Hey, what's going on? You're all supposed to be bored. Yay! Yay! Hey, watch where you're going. Yay!
What's that, Tenderheart?
Oh, nothing of any interest. Just some boring old art supplies.
Wow, let's see. Potatoes!
Yup, potatoes.
How do you get art from a potato? Hey, you're not trying to trick us into peeling potatoes, are you?
Nope, we're gonna make potato prints. All we need is potatoes, poster paint, and some paper. Are you kids ready at home? Okay, first take the potato and get an adult to cut it in half for you. Then draw on the pattern you want to print and have an adult help you cut away the excess potato. Then put some paint on the potato and start printing.
Hey, Hugs!
Look!
That's good, Hugs.
Tugs, be careful.
Oops. Oh, no. Oh, it's ruined.
No, it's not. Want to see how to make paint spiders? Just take a straw and blow on the paint.
Oh, wow.
Let's show Tenderheart.
What's going on here? You should all be bored out of your skulls! Nobody ever listens to me anymore. Not bad. Not bad if I do say so myself.
Hey, Hugs and Tugs, how do you like my phone?
That's a phone?
Uh-huh. You can make your own phone easily. Here, I'll show you. All you need are 2 tin cans or plastic cups or paper cups and a long piece of string. Ask an adult to punch a small hole in the ends of the cans, and then you tie the string in between them. Then when you talk into one can, the sound travels along the string and can be heard from the other can.
Wow! Hugs, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Hey, this thing really works.
What?
I said this thing really works.
What?
This thing really works!
Hey, what's all the noise? Operator! Operator! We've been cut off!
Yay! Cartoons!
Hey, boys and girls, it's the Pen Mikey Show!
Cartoons, huh? I can put a stop to that.
Oh.
The cartoon's gone!
That's okay. Why don't you draw your own cartoon?
How?
Simple. First we'll get a pad of paper, a pencil, and then we'll draw a Care Bear. See? It's easy. Now you try.
Hey, Tugs, look.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, now we'll make him move.
Move?
Uh-huh. All we have to do is keep drawing him in a slightly different pose than the last. Here, I'll show you.
Oh.
Then we flip the drawings to see him move.
Let me see, let me see.
Uh-oh. Quick, everybody, grab some pots and pans.
Hey! What's all the commotion?
Phew. Huh? I've got an idea. To the magic board! Let's make some musical instruments. For a flute, get a plastic straw, flatten one end, and using safety scissors, cut off the corners.
Goody, goody, gosh. This is fun.
For a kazoo, get a paper tube. Cover one end with wax paper, hold it there with a rubber band, and use a pencil to poke a small hole here in the tube. Next, get some bottles and fill them to different heights with water. And use spoons or rulers for drumsticks. Now we have a whole band. You kids at home join us too.
Stop it! Stop it! You're supposed to be bored! Stop it! If you can't beat them, join them.
This story is called A Day Without Tugs.
Hey, Tugs! Wake up! It's the morning! Come on, Tugs! Let's go have breakfast!
Oh, I'm not feeling very well.
Ew, you're all yucky. I better get Grams. Did you make him all better, Grams?
No, he's got quite a temperature. He'll have to stay in bed today.
Bed? But then who's supposed to play with me?
I'm afraid you'll just have to play by yourself today, little one.
Oh, great. Now what do? There's nobody to play with. Why don't you play with me? Hey, who said that? I did. Down here. Hi. Hey, wait a minute. You're just my shadow.
Yeah, so?
So shadows can't talk. Want to play with me anyway? How am I supposed to play with you? You can't even do anything.
I can do lots of stuff. Besides, I got great ideas.
Yeah? Like what?
Well, take me over to the sandbox and I'll show you one.
Okay.
Right behind ya.
Well, what is it?
What's what?
Your great idea!
I guess I forgot it.
Terrific.
I think it was to build something.
Like what? A house?
Yeah, that was it. A house.
But what kind of house?
Oh, you know.
Was it big?
Yeah, real big. And, guess what else it had?
Windows.
Mm-hmm.
And a really big fireplace? And a driveway?
Yeah, that's it. That's the one.
Wow, that is a great idea.
Hey.
Gosh, I can hardly wait. It looks really great.
Yeah. Hey, you want to go to Africa?
Kind of far, isn't it?
It's just over there. In that jungle.
Oh, yeah. Sure is dark in here.
Yeah.
Do you think there's any lions?
Oh, they're probably all over the place. I think I see one.
Ah! Quick, into the water. Oh, no. Crocodiles. Climb onto this rock.
Thanks for saving my life.
Oh, how are we gonna get out of here?
Let's fly away.
Okay, we'll change into birds. Whee!
This is fun.
We're really up high.
I know. Let's pretend I'm a baby bird. And you can be an eagle who's after me.
I want to be the baby bird.
Okay, then I'll be the eagle. Here I come.
Now let's pretend I fly into this cave and you can't get in because you're so huge.
Nah, I'm just a little eagle. A cute little baby one.
Okay, and I'll be your friend.
Yeah, we're both baby eagles. And this is our house.
Hugs! It's Grams.
Let's scare her.
Yeah!
Hugs! Hugs, dear. Where are you?
Were you scared, Gramps?
Oh, goodness, yes. Now come in the house, dear. It's time for your lunch.
Lunch? Oh, goody. We're really hungry. Us eagles love soup, right?
Yeah. Worm soup.
Worms? Yuck! I don't want to be an eagle.
Okay, then popcorn soup.
Yeah, popcorn. That's funny. Are you bringing some soup to Tug's, Gramps?
Mm-hmm.
Tug's is sick. He's got a temperature.
I remember I was sick once. I had a temperature of 1,000,000.
Really?
Yeah, they had to call the fire department.
Is he all better yet, Gramps?
Yes, a little, but he still needs to rest.
Gramps, can I have something else, please? I'm still hungry.
Well, let me see. Would you like to make a banana shake?
Yeah!
What's that?
You'll see. Watch. First, you unzip the banana.
Shadows love bananas.
Put half of it in the bowl. Then some yogurt. Then you smash it all up.
You sure you know what you're doing?
Yup. Then you put it all in a jar. Add a bit of milk. Then put the lid on really tight so it won't leak out.
Then what?
Then shake it.
Is it ready now?
Nope.
Boy, you sure have to shake it a lot.
That's so it gets all mixed up. Ah, now it's ready. Try it.
Really good.
Come on, let's go out back again.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's raining.
You best play in the house, dear. Why don't you draw?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
What's it gonna be?
A dinosaur.
Oh, scary.
This one's nice. He just eats grass, not people. See? This is me riding him.
What about me?
Okay, I'll put you on too.
Hey, what are these things? Candies?
No, those are my paints. Want me to show you how they work?
Okay.
First you get some water, then some paint, and then put it on the drawing. See? The paint doesn't even stick to the crayons.
Wow.
Pretty good trick, huh?
Yeah. Know any more?
Oh, yeah! See? A puppet on my hand. Hello, my name is Frank.
Do it to me.
Hello, what's your name? How come you're all gray and don't have any eyes?
That's 'cause I'm a shadow, of course.
Oh, well, I've got eyes, you know. Really pretty ones.
What do you do when you want to get them off your hand?
I'll show you. See? You just wash it off. There it goes.
See you later, Frankie.
Hey! We could make some baker's clay.
What's that?
Do you remember how we make it?
Yup. First we put in the flour and salt.
That's right. 2 cups or 500 milliliters of flour and just half a cup or 125 milliliters of salt.
Then comes the water.
3/4 of a cup or 200 milliliters. And what color would you like this time?
Say green. Green, please. Food color.
Yes, just a few drops.
And now we mix it. You have to mix it really a lot.
I was afraid of that.
Okay, it's ready.
Yuck! This stuff tastes terrible.
You're not supposed to eat it. It's for making stuff. See? I'm making people.
Okay, I'll make a people too.
Do you like my beautiful jewelry?
Look! Monster hands!
You can make lots of stuff.
Yeah!
Hugs, I want you to know I'm very proud of you. You you managed to play just by yourself all day today without any complaining?
It was easy. I just played with my shadow.
Your shadow? Oh, you'll never be bored with an imagination like that. Played with her shadow.
Don't forget the ones in the back. Hi, Tugs. Are you all better now?
Yep, nearly. What did you do today?
Oh, just playing.
Oh.
Good night.
See you later. Who was that?
Oh, just my shadow.
Oh. Good night, Hugs.
Good night, Tugs.
Good night. That was a wonderful story, Grams.
It sure was.
Well, here's another one, my little darlings. This story is called Graham's Cooking Corner.
It's a beautiful sunny day in Carolot, and this is station CARE. Now stay tuned for Graham's Cooking Corner.
Oh, goody gosh. Tenderheart, look. Grams is on TV.
That's right, Hugs. Graham's new TV show teaches kids how to cook along.
We want to learn to cook just like Grams, don't we, Tugs?
And now, here's Grams with Cooking Corner.
Well, hello there.
Hello, Grams.
I'm so glad you could join me today. I'll bet some of you think that cooking is just too much work, with all that cutting and peeling and pot washing.
I'll say, because I have to do all the pot washing.
Well, I'm here to show you how cooking can be fun, especially when you sample the delicious goodies you can make.
Goodies? Ouch!
I'll bet each of you has a favorite dessert, don't you? Well, today we're going to make Hugs and Tugs' favorite, gingerbread cookies.
Gosh, Grams said our name's on TV.
Oh boy! Oh boy! This is my chance to make yummy, terrific goodies! I mean yucky, disgusting baddies!
Okay, everybody, let's get ready to cook along. Always wash your hands before starting.
That's so our food won't get dirt in it. Right, Tenderheart?
Right, Tugs.
Now you can put on your favorite apron.
Ooh, that tickles.
Collect everything you will need before you start. We will use 3 bowls, and a measuring cup,
Check.
a fork and a stirring spoon,
Fork. Check.
a set of measuring spoons, a rolling pin, some wax paper, and a flat cookie sheet.
Check. Check. Huh? Yo!
Remember, always ask a big person to help you when you need something on a high shelf.
Yo. Now she tells me.
We'll also use a cookie cutter and a clock.
Why a clock, Tenderheart?
So we know when our cookies are done.
Oh yes, don't forget your oven mitts. Well, does everyone have their equipment ready?
Ready!
Good. Begin by measuring a half cup or 100 milliliters of butter. That's the same as a quarter pound.
But we have half a pound, Tenderheart.
Let's cut it in 2 and put 1/2 back in the fridge.
Now we have a quarter pound.
Put your butter in the biggest bowl. Then add a half cup or 100 milliliters of brown sugar loosely packed. Use your fork to make a paste. Hold your bowl with one hand so that it doesn't slip.
Now she tells me.
Next, add 1/4 cup or 50 milliliters of blackstrap molasses. Be careful when pouring molasses. It's very sticky.
Tenderheart, look! The molasses made the batter really dark.
My, doesn't that look wonderful? 1 egg goes in next.
Oh, lucky for me, I've been
Saving this dinosaur egg.
Tap your egg gently with a spoon. Break the egg into the small bowl and then check the bowl for broken eggshell. Now, add your egg to your batter and mix well. Now in the medium bowl, add together your dry ingredients. 2½ cups or 500 milliliters of flour, 1/4 teaspoon or 1 milliliter of baking soda. And last, what gives gingerbread that warm, special taste?
I know, spices.
If you said spices, you're right. Combine 1 rounded tablespoon or about 20 milliliters of cinnamon, ginger, and ground cloves.
Cinnamon, ginger, and cloves?
That's what I said. We put these spices into the flour and baking soda.
No, but all No Heart has is pickled bat gizzards, snake knees, spider's eyebrows.
Now we'll put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients.
No!
Then mix everything thoroughly. You are now ready to refrigerate your batter. Cover the bowl first and put it in the fridge for 1 hour or the freezer for 15 minutes.
Or the deep, deep freeze for 12 seconds.
My goodness, by the miracle of modern television, we've advanced time 15 minutes.
What?
Ooh, the bowl feels cold, doesn't it?
Yeah!
It's not cold to me.
Now comes the part your big friend or parent will do. Never use a stove or an oven by yourself.
Okay, Grams.
Turn on the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 175 degrees centigrade. Now, we place a ball of dough between 2 pieces of waxed paper and roll the dough out so that it is 1/8 of an inch or 1/3 of a centimeter thick.
Yeah-ha!
That looks just about right. Now for the part I like best. Use your favorite cookie cutter and cut out as many gingerbread cookies as you can. Then grease a cookie sheet with a little butter and lay each cut-out cookie on the sheet.
We made a picture, Tenderheart.
We sure did. Oh, isn't he cute?
Well, let's put on our oven mitts, 'cause it looks like our cookies are ready for baking. Remember, little ones, your big friend or parent is going to do this part. Bake the gingerbread in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. Set your clock or timer right now. Oh, I'm so excited. I just can't wait till those cookies are done. Can you?
No, I can't.
Good things take time. Because I know that a clean kitchen is a safe kitchen, I'll take care of these dishes while I wait.
And so will I.
Tenderheart, when we finish these dishes, will our cookies be done?
I think so, Hugs. Let's keep an eye on the clock.
Do you smell what I smell? Mitts on, everyone! My, they're just right! Let's see how yours turned out.
Wow.
Neat.
Stand back, Hugs and Tugs. Those are hot cookies.
Oh, wow! Don't they look good enough to eat? But let's wait just a little until they cool down.
I'll get the plates.
Well, now, my little darlings, didn't we have fun today?
We sure did, Grams.
While we're all enjoying our cookies, I'd like to take a moment to thank you all for joining me today. And I look forward to seeing you all soon when we get together for another exciting cooking adventure here on Cooking Corner.
Nah.
So keep smiling and keep cooking. Bye now.
Bye, Grams. See ya. So long.
Good cookies? Hey, where'd they all go?
We saved the biggest for you, Tenderheart. Thank you for helping us.
You're welcome.
This story is called A Care Bear's Look at Food, Facts, and Fables.
It's time for a Care Bear's look at food, facts, and fables.
Hi, kids. Let's see what we can discover today about food. Your body is an amazing machine. You can dance and jump, sing a song, read a book, push a wheelbarrow.
Hey, wait a minute. I thought you said we were doing a show on food, Tenderheart. What does all this activity stuff have to do with food anyhow?
Everything, Grumpy. Food is the fuel which keeps our bodies going. We couldn't do any of these activities without it. Let's take a look at what our ancestors ate.
Ooh, that's no ancestor of mine.
Cavemen ate their food raw. Sooner or later, someone figured out that food tastes better when it's cooked. We take you now live to the Forest of Feelings, where we join Swift-Heart Rabbit in her rabbit hole.
Hello, Tenderheart. My recipe for today is carrot and ginger salad.
That sounds delicious.
Let's see how it's done.
Righto, Tenderheart.
Great, Swift-Heart. Can you play that back in slow motion, please?
Righto, Tenderheart. Here you see me peeling 3 carrots. Now I'm grating them. Next, I'm putting the carrots in a bowl. And now I'm squeezing the juice out of an orange. Here I am adding the juice to the carrots. Then I take a spoonful of mayonnaise. I put that in the bowl along with about half a box of seedless raisins, a dash of powdered ginger, and a pinch of salt. Here you see me mix everything well. And top it off with a dollop of marmalade and a piece of candied ginger. Like so!
Fantastic, Swift-Heart.
Could we see that again in normal time?
Righto, Grumpy!
Amazing.
Ta-da!
Thank you very much, Swift-Heart Rabbit.
You're very welcome. Like some?
How did you...
Try it. You'll like it.
Not bad. Yum.
Have you ever wondered how something as simple as the sandwich was first created? Back in the days of Old England, The Earl of Sandwich was playing the latest board game with some of his friends.
I say, pardon me while I gather us some nourishment.
Oh, that Earl. He's an absolute genius in the kitchen.
Oh, honey, a sweetie pie, sugar plum.
Oh, knock it off, Earl. What do you want?
The, gang and I are a bit hungry and,
And you want me to fix something up, right?
well,
Oh, all right. You're so helpless in the kitchen, Earl. Now, let's see what we can whip up. How about a couple of slices of bread? Some butter? A bit of lettuce? Yes, that sounds right. Some sausage. Maybe...
oh, what are you making?
I'm not sure. Some tomatoes? A bit of mayonnaise? A pickle? And... that's it!
What is it?
Well, it's a sandwich!
Oh,
And that's how the sandwich was invented.
Or is it quiche?
Okay, Grumpy. What do you think our little cave person is painting?
Maybe it's one of those huge wild animals he and his fellow cave persons hunted for food. Tenderheart? That's a barbecue. He painted a barbecue. For a moment there, I thought that this was a serious educational program. Now that was ridiculous. Huh.
hi, kids. It's me, Braveheart Lion, in a peanut suit. Hope I don't get sued. Anyways, the reason I'm wearing this here peanut disguise is 'cause I'm gonna sing to y'all about how to make peanut butter balls. Pretty cute idea, huh? Now, peanut butter balls, or PB balls as us aficionados like to call them, taste mighty good, and they're mighty good for you, too. Well, I think that's about enough tuning, so let's get down to business. Oh, for PB balls, for PB balls. This is what you do. Get a big bowl, yes, a big bowl, and a measuring cup too. You need granola and brown sugar and some skim milk powder too. Raisin sesame seeds or dried coconut, and of course, the PB too. Take 1 cup granola, that's 250 milliliters, and you put it in the bowl. Add the same amount of skim milk powder and put it in there too. Then get your raisins and brown sugar, measure half a cup of each. That's 125 milliliters for you metric folk. And then you dump them in the bowlie, and then in with your hands you reach. Mix them all up, so it all looks just the same. When it looks like chunky white stuff, you know you've mixed it up enough. Bet you'd never guess I'm just making this song up as I go along, huh? How does he do it? Oh, take the peanut, take the peanut, take the peanut butter out. Fill 2 cups, that's 500 milliliters. They'll have fun trying to get it out. And then you dump it, then you dump it, then you dump it in the bowl. And then you mix it with the white stuff. Homogeneity's your goal. That means you mix it till it all looks the same. And then you roll them into ballies about 1 inch in diameter. That's 2.5 centimeters, about the size of a ping pong ball. And then you roll them in sesame seeds or in toasted coconuts. Put them in the refrigerator. Now you have your PB balls. Oh, well, there you go, partners. Now you know how to make them. Of course, they don't really have those cute little faces on them.
Here's our prehistoric person in his daily search for food.
I see he's decided to go vegetarian today. Ah, yes. Potatoes. A wise choice. Full of vitamins and minerals and... I think he's got something there. What? No ketchup?
Well, Grumpy, how did you like our look at food facts and fables?
Well, it was fun, but I still don't see how food keeps me going.
You don't?
Wow! Yahoo!
Well, looks like Grumpy understands how food gets him going after all. Good night, folks.
Thanks for the stories, Grams. They were great.
Well, now, how about some dessert? I've got happy apple pie.
Yippee! That's our favorite. Right, Tux? Tux?
Yum! It sure is. Mmm.